One of the things that always surprises me is how good players don't understand the concept of throw. If these two balls are frozen together, and by frozen I mean touching, and we want this ball to go to the left, many people think you hit the 5 ball, this ball here on the left, and it goes to the right and then cuts this ball to the left. But that isn't true. In fact, when these balls are frozen, if you want this ball to go to the left, you have to push this ball to the left, hitting it there. If you look here at these balls, the 3 ball and the 5 ball are frozen, and they're pointing just to the point here. And for reference, in terms of throw, you can throw this ball about 1 inch per diamond. So here's a diamond length, so we can throw this ball about 1 inch. So it's pointing here, and we need to move it over about 1/2 inch, and it has 1 diamond distance to go. What we have here is we want to push the 5 ball over about 1 inch to pocket it, and right now it's pointing about at the point, so we need to hit this on the left-hand side and soft to throw the 5 ball to the right. Here's what it looks like. And you can see it just barely went in, but it pocketed by pushing the ball to the right.